Alright, so as disclosed in my previous quick video, VIOFO has now announced a huge, biggest discounts ever seen on all of their dashcam lineups, including the accessories for those dash cameras. So if you are looking to buy a VIOFO dash camera, this is the perfect and the best opportunity for you. Do not waste this chance. I'm really telling you, this is the best way you can grab these perfect dash cams at tremendously huge discounted prices. That being said, which are the models that have been included in the discount and what are their prices? Well, rather than just telling you out, which is probably going to make the video too long, I'll just put out a chart on the video. Just take a look at this chart, take a look at the model and the discounted prices, and you'll be able to decide which one of the cameras comes within your budget. That being said, do note that the discount has been divided within two parts based on the way you pay for that particular order. Which means if in case you are prepaying for your order using UPI, you will get the biggest and the highest amount of discount. But if you don't pay via UPI, you pay via any other method, you will still get a discount, but not as much as what you would have got if you prepaid via UPI. So I would definitely recommend paying via UPI to place your order to get the highest amount of discount and make the most use out of this opportunity. So let's not waste any more of your time. Just take a look at this chart on the screen right now and decide which one of these cameras to go ahead with. Starting off with the fact that the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 generally trends at 12,000 rupees, now comes at about 11,500 rupees irrespective of the payment mode. But if you do pay via UPI, you will get it at a straight up 10,000 rupees. Moving on to the next model, the VIOFO A229 Plus dual channel variant. Generally trends at 25k, but with this discount you will get this at 24,000. But again, if you pay via UPI, you are going to get this at 23,000 rupees. That is a straight up 2,000 rupee discount on the VIOFO A229 Plus dual channel. Moving on to the next one, the A229 Plus 3 channel generally trends at 30,000, but now with discount it's available at 28k. But paying via UPI, you will get this at 26,000. You're going to get a triple channel dashcam at 26k. That's a straight up 4,000 rupee discount on this particular model if you pay via UPI. This is the best possible deal which you can grab right now. Moving on to the next model, the VIOFO A229 Pro dual channel generally trends at 34k. With the discount it's at 33k. But paying via UPI, you will get it at 32,000. That's a straight up 2,000 rupee discount on this particular model. Talking about VIOFO A229 Pro 3 channel or the triple channel dashcam, generally trends at 39 to 40,000 rupees. With the discount, you will be getting it at 38,000. And if you do pay via UPI, you're going to get this at 37,000 rupees. That's a discount of close to 2 to 3,000 rupees for the VIOFO A229 Pro 3 channel variant. Moving on to the last and the king of dash cameras, the VIOFO A329. Now the dual channel straight up trends at 40,000, but with discount you get this at 38,000, which means 2,000 rupee flat discount. And that's not the sweet deal. If you do pay via UPI, you get this at 36,000 rupees. That's straight up 4,000 rupee discount on the VIOFO A329 dual channel variant, the king of dash cameras. 4,000 rupee discount, not 400. I mean, do mind this amount. This is huge, and this is probably the first time VIOFO is offering such huge discounts on all of their models. And this is not where the story ends. If you do buy any of the accessories along with the camera, you're gonna get some extra discount on the accessories as well. Just take a look at this chart. If you do get the VIOFO A119 mini CPL filter, you're gonna get this at 1,700 instead of the 1,800. For the A229 front CPL, you're gonna get this at 1,800 instead of 2,000. And for the A229 rear CPL, you're gonna get this at 1,400 instead of 1,500 rupees. And for the A329 rear CPL, you're gonna get this at 1,400 instead of the 1,500 rupees. So 100-200 rupee discount on the accessories as well if you do include them in the cart along with the dash camera. That's more savings right there just for you. Additionally, if you do buy a 3-channel dash cam or if you buy the VIOFO A329 by paying via UPI, you get a free CPL filter for the VIOFO A229 Pro triple channel variant. You also get a free front and a rear CPL for the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant. Now the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant will come at about 26k. and on top of it you're gonna get free front and rear CPL filter. This is amazing and this is simply a mind-blowing deal. And along with the biggest camera, the VIOFO A329 dual channel, you're gonna get a free rear CPL filter along with a hardware kit at a price of about 36,000 rupees. So free rear CPL and a hardware kit and the VIOFO A329 coming in at a super discounted price of about 36k. Best deal ever. Go ahead and grab this deal right now. So these are some tremendous discounts, some huge discounts, and all the purchase links to grab these discounts are given below in the description. You need to head to the VIOFO website using the link given in the description below, add the particular model to your cart and pay via UPI to get the biggest possible discount on all of the dash cams and all the accessories that you're gonna purchase for these dash cameras as well. Do go through all the charts that I've just put out on the video, take a deep look onto them and consider any one particular dash cam based on your budget. And if you do have any queries regarding any particular discount or any dash camera, you can always write that down in the comments, and you can always check out the detailed review videos which I've made for almost all of these cameras that have been showcased in this video. And if this video has helped you out in saving yourself some money, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video to all those friends who are looking to get some premium dash cameras and also save themselves a lot of money by getting these super amazing discounts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.